הגאון רבי יוסף בר סולובייצ'יק היה הרב הראשי של בוסטון, מסצ'וסטס. בשנת 1983 הקהילה החבדית המקומית חגגה סיום ספר תורה חדש.
When we had the Siyum Sefer Torahs, I went to invite the Rabbi Soloveitchik to come. While I was there, he didn't say, he didn't promise, but he wasn't feeling so well. Well, while I was there, I took the opportunity to ask him, Rav Soloveitchik ist untergegangen zusammen hier, zusammen mit den Rebben in Berlin. Erzählt uns etwas, wie man sich gefühlt dort in Berlin. So he says, eine Sache in der Chazog. Also der Rebbe hat in Sinne gehabt nur zwei Sachen. Teure und Mikve. In Berlin. Das heißt, Teure. Even when in the university, when the professor was lecturing, he would always go with a sefer in his hand. When he was lecturing the professor, he would listen, hear what the professor was saying. He finished. He heard it. So he stops listening, he takes out a sefer. The professor noticed that he's not listening, so he was disturbed. He calls upon him, Schneerson, maybe you can repeat what I just lectured. The Rebbe stands up, word by word, he says over. And since then, the professor never bothered him. Mikveh in Berlin. He managed to get the key to the mikveh. Every day he would go to the mikveh, never failed. Mikveh and Torah was foremost in his mind, wherever he went. That's what Rabbi Soloveitchik. Another thing he said, interesting, came Purim. Weißt as Rabbi Soloveitchik says, he had schon gehalten bei Adela Yoda on campus, middle of the night, 12 o'clock. He goes out, gets up on a chair, and the students around. He starts lecturing about Purim. I got to Drosh about Purim, Mitzvahs Hayom. In Berlin, you got to have a license to preach. So the police came and took him away. No license. Campus, middle of the night, lecturing. They put him in prison. They knew who his friends are. They called me up. They say, hey, we have a friend of yours, Schneerson, over here. Maybe you want to bail him out. He went to the police and explained that there's a holiday. It meant no harm. All right, so they let him out. When they go out, Rav Soloveitchik says to the Rebbe, Ich sag ne wie es, als du sein a Rebbe. Oh. Your grandfather was in prison, Baratanya. Your father was in prison. You were in prison. You're going to be a Rebbe one day.